Hi everyone, Jonathan here from MEFA. Here's a question I got a lot from parents of young children. How much do I need to save every month to pay for college? Well, thanks to MEFA's college planning tool, you can take the first steps towards figuring that out. Here's how it works. First, visit MEFA.org, hover over Make a Plan, and then click Pre-K or Elementary. Select MEFA's College Planning Tool. Create a profile for your family, including the ages of your children, and that will let the program calculate when they should be entering college. Finally, listing any savings you currently have and how much, if any, you're saving on an ongoing basis will allow us to estimate how much you could have in savings to help pay the college bill. Putting in some limited financial information like income will calculate how much financial aid you may receive. By entering certain colleges or types of colleges, we'll estimate how much the college sticker price should be by then. So you'll have the estimated cost, financial aid, and projected savings to pay the balance. If we project you'll have a shortfall, we'll let you know. This will allow you to make changes to your plans, whether it's increasing your savings, looking for less expensive colleges, or applying for outside scholarships, which you can also search for on the site. Keep yourself on track at MEFA.org. Thanks for watching.